Hi friends! So today I thought we could go ahead and read our My Big World magazine. This one is for May and June and it's called Splish, Splash, Summer. So in the summer, I know that I love to spend time outside. I love to go swimming. I like to go play at the water, maybe go to the lake or run through the sprinkler. But there are some things that we need to keep in mind when we're near water to make sure that we're safe. So let's go ahead and talk about those things. Is it safe? Give a thumbs up to show what's safe and a thumbs down if it's not safe. Think about your core board. Thumbs up means good and thumbs down means bad. So number 1 asks, is it safe to swim with a grown-up? Yeah, grown-ups are there to keep us safe and protect us. So if we have a grown-up with us, totally okay to go in the pool. Number 2, is it safe to walk carefully by the pool? Well, if you're being careful, then you're probably being safe. So yeah, but make sure that there's a grown-up around. We don't ever go walk by a pool unless there's a grown-up with us. Number 3 asks, is it safe to run by the pool? Well, running's okay sometimes. But I know when I run, I might have a hard time stopping. I might trip and fall. And when you're by a pool, it's usually wet. And when things are wet, they're slippery. So no, it's not safe to run by the pool. But like we saw at number 2, it is safe to walk. Walk by the pool, don't run. Number 4, is it safe to wear a life jacket in a boat? Yeah, life jackets help us float in the water. We don't have to know really how to swim or be able to stand up in the water because the life jacket helps us float at the top of the water. So I say whenever you're in the water, a life jacket's a good idea. Number 5, is it safe to listen to the lifeguard? Yeah, lifeguards are adults that know the rules and they know how to keep us safe near water. They also have things to help us if we need help. So definitely listen to your lifeguard. All right, let's look at the back cover. This is some super summer S words. Practice with me our S sound. Ready? Like a slithery snake. Letter S. Let's look at all these S words. There's so many S words that we talk about in the summer, like sunglasses. We talk about going on the swing set. Ooh, we need sunscreen to keep us safe from the sun. Do you see the sun? Point to it. The sun is right here. Sun. Maybe you want to kick around a soccer ball. All these S words. I like to wear sandals in the summer. Maybe if you go by the water, you can see people out on their sailboats. And I like to wear a sun hat to keep my head from getting too hot. Lots of great S words. Can you think of any more summer S words? Let me know. Thanks, friends.